I'm Bill Geller, litigation partner at Adam Leitman Bailey P.C, head of the Bankruptcy and Creditors' Rights Group. Since we've been here social distancing, I've done several interesting things that really relate to the COVID-19 situation beyond growing my quarantine beard. The first has been dealing with a lot of pending real estate transactions, largely in the condominium co-op area. There have been, because of the turmoil in the real estate market, quite a lot of people are asking questions about if I'm in a contract to buy real estate, can I get out of it? If I'm in a contract to sell real estate, can I make sure my buyer stays in? And what are the various circumstances and what are the people's rights in each of these situations? It has to do with some fairly careful analysis of contracts and condominium offering plans and various correspondence and analyzing these things for people and for other lawyers, writing letters, trying to negotiate a situation where everybody can be successful by the time we get out of these things. The other areas in bankruptcy, we're really in the calm before the storm. The bankruptcy courts are open and remain operating, and I've been making telephonic appearances there. But because the civil courts are closed for non-emergency matters and evictions and foreclosures have been stayed, the bankruptcy courts haven't had a lot of new filings. But once the civil litigation gets moving again, I think we're going to hit a wave of bankruptcies because people who've really been affected by the COVID situation. And at the moment, what I've been doing is really bankruptcy advice. Everybody is nervous about whether the people they're doing business with are going to declare bankruptcy, what's going to happen. If you're a landlord, what's going to happen if your tenants are declaring bankruptcy, what are my rights there? So I've been giving a lot of advice, some preparation, this is what you have to do to prepare for a tenant bankruptcy or a creditor bankruptcy, borrower bankruptcy, anything like that. And hopefully by the time we get through this, and a lot of businesses are going to try and go through reorganization and help themselves with the bankruptcy process, my clients and I will be able to deal with it. So thanks, and see you back on the other side.